Exploring the powerful word abject. Imagine walking into a room and seeing someone completely defeated, shoulders slumped, head bowed, the very picture of misery and hopelessness. This is what we mean when we use the word abject. Today, we're exploring this powerful and evocative term that often appears on GRE vocabulary lists. Word type. Abject is primarily used as an adjective in English. Meaning, abject describes a state or situation that is extremely bad, unpleasant, and degrading. It often implies a sense of hopelessness, shame, or humiliation. When we say something is abject, we're emphasizing its extreme nature, usually in a negative context. Word history. The word abject comes from Latin. It's derived from abjectus, the past participle of the verb abjecere, which means to cast down or to throw away. This origin reflects the idea of being cast down in spirit or status. Synonyms. Some synonyms for abject include wretched, miserable, pitiful, contemptible, degraded, and despicable. Each of these words carries a similar connotation of extreme lowness or wretchedness. Antonyms. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have words like exalted, noble, dignified, and elevated. These antonyms represent states that are far removed from the degradation implied by abject. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how abject can be used in various contexts. The refugee lived in abject poverty, lacking even the most basic necessities. After losing the championship, the team's abject disappointment was evident on their faces. The politician offered an abject apology for his offensive remarks, hoping to salvage his career. Living conditions in the slums were abject, with no access to clean water or sanitation. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing abject with abject poverty. While abject poverty is a frequently used phrase, abject can describe many other conditions beyond just poverty. Another error is using abject to describe positive situations, which goes against its inherently negative connotation. To wrap up, abject is a powerful word that paints a vivid picture of extreme misery, degradation, or hopelessness. Whether describing poverty, failure, or apology, it adds intensity to your language. As you prepare for the GRE, remember that understanding nuanced words like abject can significantly enhance your verbal skills and help you express complex ideas more precisely.